Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up to the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really just helped me out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. Today is another wonderful Pin Me Up Wednesday. Yay! And for today's video, we have yet another blind box unboxing. Someone hide my wallet. I told you I was not kidding about spoiling myself for my birthday month. In actuality, I was not expecting to get these pins, but how can I say no to Coco Pixar pins? We have Dante here, we have a Chihuahua, we have this dragon looking thing, we have the monkey that belongs to Frida Kahlo, and then we have Pepita, then we have this little bird looking one, and these other interesting looking ones. Obviously, I really just want Dante and Pepita are my main ones that I'm going after. And then, of course, Frida Kahlo's Alebrije, which was that fire-breathing monkey.
Alebrijes of this world can take many forms. They are as mysterious as they are powerful.
But I do love how they are surrounded by the marigolds leaves. So let's see what we get. I got 6 boxes in total, and there are 2 pins per box. These are from Shop Disney, so God help us. Please, Lord. Alright, so we have the 2 different ones here. The best part of a new set is that the first 2 are always going to be new to your collection. So you can't go wrong there. Okay, we have, let's start to you. We have this little weirdo. I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is an Alebrije that has butterfly wings, and it's mixed with like a deer / antelope creature. Very, very cool. I love the colors on these. And okay, not bad. The back does include the Mickey CZ there, so you know it's authentic. And the waffling is all there. These are so fun. Okay, second one we have. Yes! We have Dante! Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at that tongue. Why is it so obnoxiously long? His coloring is gorgeous. And I'm not sure what's in... Oh, is that on his belly? Okay, I can't tell if that was like on his belly or like just a random egg. But either way, very, very cool. Love the way this came out. So gorgeous. Again, on the back, it does have the CZ and the waffling. It says Disney Parks. I love these. Okay, all right, let's go to box number 2. I honestly wouldn't be mad to complete this whole collection because, you know, it is within the realm of the Mexican culture celebration with Dia de los Muertos and Alebrijes. So, not mad at that prospect, but really am looking for Pepita. Here we go. And it is... Oh my gosh! Yes! Frida Kahlo's Alebrije, the monkey. Oh my gosh. He is so, so cute. I love his coloring of the green with the orange and the pink. His color scheme is more simple, so you can see a lot more of the detail. And it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then on the other side, of course, it has the CZ and the waffling. But wow, this is everything. Okay, next one. Okay, these are easy to open. We have this peacock looking weirdo. Whoever came up with these mashups, I wonder if they're really inspired by real life animals. It's kind of like a combination of a snake with the peacock with even like the feelers of a moth, and it's just still kind of cool looking. I can't fault it. Love the colors. And then again on the back it does have that CZ and the waffling, so you know it's authentic. We're halfway through. This is box number 3, and then we have okay, another Dante. Awesome. He will make a wonderful trader. But now I wonder, is this a dupe box No, not really. We have the other one, which is Frida Kahlo's Alebrije. So, okay. I mean, duplications are bound to happen at this point. Okay, don't jinx yourself. Calm down on that. Okay, we have box number 4. Let's go Pepita. We want Pepita. We have... Oh, we have the Chihuahua! So freaking cute. He also has a very simplified color scheme. I love the blue. There is a beautiful shimmer in his ears with the darker pink element there, and his green eyes set against the orange and the blue with the yellowing. Oh, so freaking cute. Love this one. And then on the back it does have, again, the crystal and the Mickey waffling. Okay, that's another tiny one. I'm imagining Pepita's is quite large. Up, boo. That is our third monkey. Okay. Can't be mad at Frida Kahlo's Alebrije, okay? Respect. It's box number 5. And we have... What the heck? Okay, yay! We have a new one! This is the dragon-looking one. Oh my gosh. His colors are a little muted, but that's fine. I still love the pattern work in his wings and his very simple but effective body there. He has little scales on his legs on the front, which you can't really notice because they do blend into the marigold leaves. On back again has the CZ and it has the Mickey waffling. Okay, next one, and it is... Oh my gosh! We have a little field mouse rabbit looking thing. Again, not familiar with the names, but this one's a little creepy. It's like a mix between like a frog, a rabbit. There's a lot going on here. And I love the colors of the yellow with the red, the polka dots there, accents of the blue and the green. Very, very cool. Wow. Y'all, this has been a very successful boxing so far. And I'll tell you why. We are just missing one pin out of this whole set. Redonkulous. This is so crazy. I love it. Okay, so we're in the final box. Are we gonna get Pepita? Have I doomed myself from wishing it on a star? Okay, here we go. We have... Boo. We have another little buddy here. Oh my gosh, please don't let this be a dupe box. And did we do it? Boo. But hey, that wasn't a dupe box because this came separately with the deer guy. Well, we didn't get Pepita. Sad, sad day. However, we got most of them. Oh my gosh. Let's see them all put together. And here they all are. Wow. Amazing. This is such a gorgeous set. So beautiful. I am so grateful that I had lucked out the way I did because I know Shop Disney is infamous for just some really bad bad picks, especially when you go online and you just cannot choose what you get. You can't filter the boxes, nothing like that. You get what you get. And my Alebrije was helping me out in the spirit realm because I got most of them. Again, I am just missing Pepita. We have 5 duplicates here. So we have 2 of Frida Kahlo's Alebrije. We have Dante, and then we have these other 2 mystical creatures here. So freaking cute. They all look great together. So if you are completing this set, please reach out to me on my Instagram. DM me there, we can go ahead and make something happen. It's a very successful pull, and I couldn't be happier because I am going to be getting that Pepita. You best believe. I mean, I have this Dante. It's the ace. Again, reach out and let me know what you need. If you are interested in any of these pins or any other pins, please go ahead and let me know. Again, hit me up on Instagram. I have joined a few couple of Facebook groups, so I will be posting that there as well. So really, time is of the essence. So first come, first serve. Comment down below. What do you think about this set? Do you collect Coco? Did you actually attempt these boxes yourselves? Let me know. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Your support really means the world to me. So please go ahead and continue to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone you think that might enjoy it. Happy March. I hope it's going well for you all so far. And with that, be safe, Tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!